lets go, it's going to jump up.
Yeah.
So watch out.
Don't want it to impale me. It's so hung up in there, man.
Yeah, really. No kidding.
That is wild.
Woo! It is maybe on the edge.
Yeah. Yep. I could cut it again. I mean, it probably...
All right, let's give it a try if you don't mind.
All right.
I mean, you're
I don't do trees anymore.
I know, but you're both, you have both. Wow.
Yeah, it's still hung up.
It's still hanging.
Probably gonna keep on hanging. I mean, I could cut it again.
I mean, it's up to you if you feel like you can do it. Otherwise,
Yeah. I mean, I'll cut it again, and then if it's still not let go, I'm likely gonna, like, I could get a rope, and I think I might have a rope.
all right.
Okay, so now there's like more of a likelihood that it could pivot, and actually the top could go this way, so
Yep.
I just want you to know that before anything. Okay. Almost there. Yeah, it's pretty hung up.
Yeah, it's gonna take a rope now, I believe.
Yeah. Maybe if I cut it one more time.
All right. Wants to go straight down.
Yeah. I guess I'll just go get a rope.
Okay. All right.
Maybe I do. Yeah, I think I might need two men here.
Okay.
Don't have a tractor.
I don't have a tractor.
It's either that or the come along.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Nice.
There we go! Finally! Kidding.
Whew. Because it's a Virginia pine, and when those get stuck, it's like, man.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad this guy keeps getting caught up with other pine trees.
Yeah.
It's not a pine tree, but it's he just kept caught up with all these pine trees, the poor thing.
Alright guys, guess what we're doing? We are loading up another load of firewood into here. It's going to be a full cord of wood, or estimated to be a full cord of wood. I never tell my customers, Bo, by the way, we got to get all this junk out of here, so that way the customer doesn't get that either. That's from the last delivery. So yeah, yeah, and I never tell the customer it's going to be a guaranteed full cord, so they know that before time, before they get the wood, so that way there's no confrontation or argument. Anyways, we're going to get this wood here. We're gonna scoop it up into the bucket. This customer in particular, he wants 12-inch pieces, and I've told him that I have 12-inch pieces, but generally they range from 12 to 16-inch pieces, 18-inch pieces, and near up to 20-inch pieces sometimes, but generally in the range of 12 to 16-inch pieces. So yeah, we're gonna scoop that up, and that's what we're gonna do. And stick around. Hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. God bless you. See you later. All right, guys, let's get this show on the road. Guys, almost half a cord. If it's fully loaded. Looks to be quite close. And we've got a lot of 12-inch pieces in here, so that's good. Told the guy that I don't really have 12-inch pieces that I separate out, but there are a lot of 12-inch pieces here. These are my Firewood shorts, the general supply, so yeah, so we're gonna see if this fills it up once we sort it all out in here, and might need another half a scoop or something, I think. Let's see. It's almost full. I don't know. Honestly, I'd say it's pretty full. I don't think we need to throw another half a scoop in. Maybe we will. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, it's quite full. I always run this dilemma in my head. Is it full or? Let's throw another half a scoop in. Y'all, I do believe we are good. My neck is hurt. All right. We'll call that a full cord of wood. Let's go deliver. All right, guys. I think that's about a full cord of wood right there. And a lot of 12-inch pieces, just how he wanted. Maybe some even shorter, some a little longer, but hey, 12-inch pieces mostly. Bone broth?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We just had somebody ask me in a bucket truck that was passing me by how much my wood costs. He was like, is it $150? I'm like, nope, $300. Hey, wood prices, they don't need to be that low, man. Everybody's trying to gyp you. whenever it comes to wood. Just make sure your wood prices are up there, because it's a lot of work, guys. We're gonna be dumping over here at the customer location. Hopefully I could set you guys up where you could see everything getting dumped out. Alright guys, that's about a full cord of wood right there. It's quite a bit of wood. Guys, we're on our way home, and thanks for watching the video. The customer gave us some kind of interesting job to do. It was a tree that got hung up on another tree, and we just got it cut out. And at first he was saying that he was going to do it, and then he wanted some advice on how to do it. And then he ended up saying that maybe I should go ahead and cut it the rest of the way because it had already fallen. And yeah, so we got a delivery in, and we also got a little tree job in just randomly. He kind of surprised me. Thanks for watching the video. God bless you. See you later. Bye.